Hey, it's Justin and Bethany from the Flack Fam, and today we're taking you back to Disney's Riviera Resort.
If you've been watching our videos, you might remember that we spent the Christmas of 2020 in Disney World. Today we want to show you around Disney's Riviera Resort where we spent Christmas.
If you haven't heard of the Riviera, it is a Disney Vacation Club resort that offers studios to 3-bedroom grand villas. It is a classically beautiful resort inspired by Walt's adventures in Europe. The resort has a few dining options, 2 pools, and a kids' water playground, and a courtyard full of activities including life-size chess and bocce. Okay, I have to go get this. I do. It's the Mickey head, I can tell.
Approaching the resort is impressive, but pulling through the porte cochere is breathtaking. Just look at this light sculptured hidden Mickey and this beautiful inlaid insignia that leads to the main entrance of the resort. Entering the lobby is just as breathtaking. We love the classic modern furniture and decor.
Just to the left of where you enter, you'll find La Boutique, where you can find Riviera-themed merchandise, toys, snacks, groceries, and a small selection of personal items like you would find at most resorts. That's cute. Rubik's. I don't need any of them. Skyliners. They're ornaments.
All of these. Abby wants to buy one of each and then
You should buy one of each and build a skyliner.
Skyliner.
Like hang it from one end to the other.
These aren't ornaments, these are toys.
Oh. Tag. That's cute. An ID. Oh, it's an ID holder. It's not a luggage. Oh, I guess, yeah, it is a luggage tag. For $18.
Next to the boutique is La Petite Cafe,
La Petite Cafe.
which fills the lobby with the warm and comforting smell of coffee, chocolate, and pastries. If you continue to walk past the cafe, you'll find Voyager's Lounge, which looks like a library full of books about traveling through Europe, with a lot of seating for you to gather with your friends and family to talk about your day.
We're excited to show you around our room, but first we have to talk about dining at Riviera because we were really impressed with both of the restaurants they have here.
Let's talk about the quick service option first. Primo Piatti offers a good selection of traditional American cuisine like burgers and fries, as well as Mediterranean-inspired options. And of course, you can't forget the croque monsieur.
Blueberry lemon pancakes. Did you get the croque monsieur? Oh yeah, you did.
Cheese platter.
And a cheese platter. And a fruit cup. Okay, now let's talk about Topolino's Terrace. Located on the top floor of the resort, you have amazing views in almost every direction. had breakfast and it was absolutely delicious. We enjoyed the quiche and the sour cream waffles and would highly recommend both. We haven't returned for dinner, but if you have, we'd love to know what you thought. So leave us a comment.
As we head back toward our room, make sure to check out some of the art on the wall. You almost can't go 2 steps without seeing a new painting on these walls.
Okay, so this is our room. We stayed in a 2-bedroom villa, and this might be our new favorite. Let's start by walking down the hall from the entrance towards the bathroom attached to the main bedroom. This bathroom is split into 2 rooms. The first room has a sink, toilet, and large shower. If you continue through the door, you'll find this large freestanding air-jetted tub and another mirror and sink.
The main bedroom has a king bed, huge TV and closet, and plenty of plugs to charge all of our devices. We also had a balcony with a fantastic view of the courtyard.
Coming out of the other side of the bedroom places you into the living room that converts to another bedroom with a wall bed, it's nice it has USB ports on both sides and plugs. And a twin pull-out bed under the TV.
The kitchen comes fully stocked with everything you'll need to make meals for your family or entertain guests.
When you head down the hall the opposite direction and enter the second bedroom, you'll first encounter the bathroom. which to our surprise was very spacious. One side had a toilet and shower. While the other side had a vanity and bathtub and shower. There is a closet. And separate storage for luggage under each of the queen beds. And look at this view again, so pretty.
I know it doesn't look cold while we were sitting out on this balcony, but trust me, it was freezing at the time. But it didn't matter because we were watching that sunset while there was an intense game of bocce going on between a family.
I'm done.
And it was the only sports we had watched in a while, so we were really into it.
The grounds of the Riviera are just as beautiful as the inside. Here you can see the Fantasia Pool, which looked amazing, but because it was so cold, we didn't go in. As you walked around the pool, you can see Caribbean Beach Resort just beyond the lake. Gonna go to the Skyliner.
One of our favorite parts of the Riviera is its access to the Skyliner and being able to walk under these amazing mosaic archways, which we had a lot of fun trying to figure out how to get the best picture of the whole arch.
We know there is a lot of controversy surrounding the Skyliner, and there probably are a lot of you that disagree with us, but we really enjoy it. The only downside is that the station close to the Riviera comes after the stop at the Art of Animation and Pop Century resorts, and that means waits here can be rather long since so many people are coming from those resorts. Regardless, we enjoyed these gondolas, even if we do get a bit nervous when the wind blows so hard that the car swings back and forth. Oh, cute pirates. Moana.
Por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y salga con cuidado. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
Caution. Cuidado. Cuidado. Caution.
So that's the Skyliner route.
So let us wrap things up by answering the question you're all asking. Would we recommend staying here?
No. Stay as far away from this resort as possible. You don't want to stay here.
Stop. We absolutely love staying at the Riviera Resort, and you telling them not to come here isn't going to make it easier for us to get a room. We can't wait to go back, so yes, we would absolutely recommend staying here.
So that's it.
What do you mean that's it? This was a ridiculously long video. I hope people stuck around.
Of course they did. Well, maybe a few of them made it this far. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed touring the Riviera with us, and regardless of whether you did or didn't, we hope you'd give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you'll never miss a video from us. And if you do that, you might as well make sure you hit that notification bell.
Thanks everybody. See you next week.
Everybody.
Everybody.
Bye.